Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Like I said, like I promised, I'll be going on a ride on Monday. Well, I did promise to go to Siagat. It's a bit late now and I have some important work to do. So let's see if अगर after completing the work time मिलता है. So I'll be definitely going to Siagat Fort. But first let's complete the task, the big boss task. So let's calculate, do I have enough record time to record the entire day? 4 hours 50 minutes. The ride to the location is about 40 minutes. And then till Siagat Fort it's about half an hour. Yeah, I have enough space. Been some time metro में बैठा नहीं यार. I could have taken the metro, लेकिन फिर कैमरा किस बात कर लिया मैंने. That's a beautiful sight. The flag waving at its full glory and birds flying around. I have to pee and I'm nowhere near my destination. I'm not talking much because, like I said, I have to pee. So just trying to rush as quick as possible. While being safe, of course. I won't be breaking any rules. The amount of hard braking I do now, these brake pads won't last much. JM Road. It's almost middle of the day. I don't think much traffic hoga. Let's see. As long as it is not stop and go traffic, I don't mind. There is very dense traffic. This is what I like here. I say, almost. बोलने भी नहीं देते हैं. This is what I like, dude. I say, big wide roads covered with big trees and light passing through them. Looks so beautiful. Oh, the sunlight is feeling so good, yeah. So warm. Arey, I think I'm still recording at super night mode. Yeah, I didn't change the settings, yaar. Shit. Chalo, at least I remembered. I hope it's not a big issue. The one day we got sunlight, and I'm recording at the wrong mode. Wow. I will launch it. Launch. Should I quickly just change the setting? I changed the settings within 5 seconds, huh? This mounting system is so easy. Okay, so done with the work that I had. कुछ खा लेते हैं. I didn't have my breakfast in the morning. Just had a Red Bull and that's it. Nothing else. The weather is still good. बारिश हुई तो नहीं है. Sunlight ज़रूर चला गया है. But still, weather is warm. Feeling good. Just have to wait some more time to get a package picked up. उसके बाद I will head to Siagat Fort. Also, I checked the super night footage. It's not bad. थोड़ा सा overexposed है, but it's okay. Doable. And once I reach the spot, this time I'll spend some time. I've gotten my what do you call it? The stick, the extendable stick. I'll be using that. थोड़े shots वगैरह लेंगे. बस ये सिटी का पार्ट थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग है. You know, whenever I search from my college कि कितना distance है सियागढ़ फोर्ट, it shows I don't know कि कितना kilometers, but it shows 1 hour. But it never feels like 1 hour. In my mind, Siagat Fort is the place कि कभी भी चले जाओ. It's nearby, easily accessible. You don't need to hit the highways or anything. So after college, you can easily go there and chill. Now, where is the turn? This is the one. Was this wide? या फिर वाइड कर दिया है? कर दिया आई थिंक. I hope I'm recording. Yes, I am. Nice. पूरा भरा हुआ है. That's beautiful. After like every 100 meters, there are some policemen and women. Interesting. कितना? आई एम हैप्पी कि यहाँ पे अब यूपीआई सिस्टम कर दिया है. प्रीवियसली इट यूज्ड टू बी कैश, एंड कैश तो अब कोई कैरी नहीं करता. आई होप द रोड्स आर गुड. लेट्स बिगिन. लेट्स गो स्लो बिकॉज आई एम अलोन. क्रैश हो गया तो कोई है नहीं बचाने वाला. A lot of loose asphalt on the road. I can feel the pressure changing in my eardrums. We are gaining altitude. When I'm coming down, I'll mount the camera over here, so that will get me some good shots. And since it is not raining, there's a lesser chance of a landslide. Still, I have to be careful about it. I hope I get to see some dense fog. That will make my day. It is almost evening, so the temperature has probably gotten a bit low. So probably I should see some dense fog. I can feel the cold already. The temperature has significantly dropped. Okay, now I can see कि maps में 1 घंटा क्यों दिखाता है. It is including all these ghats and all, na? My brain assumes once the ghat starts, that's when the point is. Pretty high. I'll just Google कि कितने altitude पे है सियागढ़ फोर्ट. It is pretty high. This is one of the tight turns. 20 kilometers per hour. Sure. Reached. That's some good height. कहाँ करने का, थोड़ा अच्छे स्पॉट में करें क्या। I usually keep this thing mounted, लेकिन अभी निकाल लेते।